Hello, good afternoon, my beautiful people outside there. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing great. Hope you guys are doing fine. Happy Mother's Day to our beautiful mothers outside there also. How you doing? Happy Sunday also. If today is your first time of coming across my video, please, I want you to subscribe. If you already subscribed to my video before, may God bless you. May God make a way for you when there is no way. Have a good day. Have a nice day. So I'm on your way today again because there is special thing that I want to share to you. Is a story, is reality, is a advice that I want to make this afternoon. As you listen, may God bless you. Love you guys. So my topic today, based on the video that it has been going viral, it has been going everywhere around. I just got the video not up to 20 minutes. I cried, I feel pained, I feel worried, I feel bad on that video when I got it now. It's so painful. It's so painful, it's so sorrowful, it's so irritable in other way around. My brothers and sisters, I want to advise you, especially we that we are outside. Not only Europe alone. You know, after you leave your country, wherever you are in the whole world, you are outside. We that we are outside, my advice today is for you guys. Please, my brothers and sisters, especially where you know that you don't have anybody. When you know that you don't have family, you no get brother there, you no get sister, you no get papa, you no get mama, you no get pikin for there. You need to be very careful. You know to let your house be the first thing for you. That your house where you for come, now you go let am be the first thing for you for life. Anything wey make you dey person land, where you know say you no get anybody for there, and you don dey go about 60, 70, 80. My sister, my brothers, nothing wey we dey find this morning, e no big pass our life. When we don reach that age wey we know say yes, this country wey we dey so, we no get any backup. If anything happen, we face it alone. My advice for everybody be say, when you know say you don reach that age wey you be say you no fit run alone again, either you bring person wey be say na sister, na person wey you fit trust, or this person na person wey you fit rely on, or this person na your pikin, or this person na sister, or this person na brother, or this person na your anything wey be for you, wey be say on the day of problem, e go fit stand by you. Because this video wey I wan play this afternoon, so this one no be say this woman, I know say many people don see this video, but the video make me cry, make me shed tears, e make me feel pain. So that is why I wan still bring my own advice, wetin me I still reason for this video. I wan still share am with you, my brothers and sisters, my mothers, my fathers. You see any country where you know say you dey, you no get backup for them. You no get person wey you feel run to say, this one na my family person, or this one na my brother, or this one na my sister, this one na person wey be say if you no see me for like 1-2 weeks, you go fit come find me for where I dey. Or if person wey dey close to you, maybe the next village to you, or the next place where you dey to you, wey be say if anything dey happen tomorrow, e go fit run come find you for where you dey. I go advise say if you don dey reach that stage of 70, 50, 60, 70, 80, find person wey be say go dey close to you, person wey go fit come look for you if anything dey happen. I made this video that they say loneliness dey kill people. Loneliness no get cure, but people dey look and say wetin this person dey talk. Na me know why I talk, and na me know why I made this thing. This woman now wey we dey share the video up and down, which the video now me I go still play am for you people make we see am. He say maybe this woman now, e get person, this thing wey happen to una, if for no happen to una, that person forgot dey check am, e forgot dey look for am. If na to package am carry go Africa, go carry am go. But you know, when we know say we dey one place, we no get person wey dey look for us, unless God. We need to be very careful. We need to be very attentive. We need to be very like, I don't know how to put it, to be very more careful more.
Because you know, when you are a country that there is nobody that know you, there is nobody that can find you, there is nobody you can call your own, it's very difficult. It's very difficult. You see those white people, they look us as animal. Some people will say white people, they have a good mind. It's we that black that have black mind. It's a lie. You see white people that you are seeing, they have, their mind is like a devil. It's a stone. If their mind even strong past devil also self. But if we dey talk this thing, some people no dey believe, because maybe you dey jam the good one. I still dey pray say as you dey jam the good one, make God no let you jam bad one. Because if you jam bad one, you know say those white people wey you dey see so, they be devil internet. Na devil na dem dey work for. Anyhow I speak the English, you carry on like that. Na devil na dem dey work for, dem no dey work for God. Those white people wey you dey see so, their mind na back na dey, no dey front at all. So my brothers and sisters, if you know say you dey outside country, you no get anybody wey dey back you up, find person. If na friend, you need to mingle yourself with one good friend, one person. Not but when you get 100 friends, 30 friends, million friends, or if you na only one wey you know say this one, so the day of problem is there for me, the day of sorrow is there for me, the day of pain it will be there for me, make you hold on tight. Friend dey kill, friend dey save. This video now, you say maybe this woman now, e get maybe one person or two person wey be say dem fit look around for am. This condition wey e find herself so, e for no fit still find herself there. Or when you know say this thing don dey come towards, so maybe this thing I don dey get sign of this thing, go back to your home. Go back. Some people go say, I no build house for house, I no get money for house, I no get who I wan go run go meet for house, na im make me no go my house. Who tell you? Your home na your home. If you no get anybody for house, you no get house, you no build house for house, you no buy land, you no buy this thing, na one place na you for come. Nobody, no family. So family dey, maybe when they see you for say you no get anything, they go run. Na so you go still see some wey dem go stand beside you. We no need to, because of say make people no laugh for say we no get, we go come go kill ourselves for another small land. I no pray that one for any of my mothers, my brother, my sister, but person dey use person say they learn. Na one lesson me I still learn this afternoon so. So na the lesson wey me I still learn this afternoon so, na me I wan still share with una so. Abeg, na beg I dey beg una. If you get anything wey una know say dey heavy una for body now, wey be say una know say this thing e go fit lead una to hospital bed for this European country wey we dey now, make we quick start from now to dey find solution. If you no dey in good time with your family now, create how to be in good time with your family. If e be say you no get friend for here now, find one friend wey be say you go fit get the day of problem, you go fit call her, you go fit answer you. You see this video when I see her this afternoon, I first cry. I think am, I reason am. Now I say no. If say this woman, if e be say e get person for here, in condition for not worse like this. I remember 2014 when I sick for this country. Not be say I sick like that. Na operation I do. That operation wey I do so, I dey for bed for 7 days. That place where they put me now for Firezi, not be Milano here. We be 4. Now let me be the black wey dey among them. You see, now when something never happen to you once, now you go see it go be like say na genuity. Nothing wey genuine for this country. Now only God na is the safe person. So I no fit peace direct. They come fix pipe for me where I take the peace. Because the operation, I no fit, not be say I no fit peace direct o. I no fit stand up. Because na operation na for belle. I no fit stand up. Say me I stand, go peace by myself. Or ma I go shit for myself. So they come fix that thing for me. You believe say that thing where they fix for me, sometimes the nylon go full. The nylon go full. When that nylon don full so, they no go wan carry am. But the white people wey dey there, they carry their own. Na me go come dey tell them say this nylon don full now. Before they will come carry am, come fix another one. For that 7 days we have spent for that bed that time, I know wetin be say family dey important. People dey wey dey come look me my brothers, my friend, my sweetheart, everybody dey come dey look for me. Even this video wey I dey make so I know say some people go remember the video wey dey even come stay with me. They will stay with me from morning. If you don reach in the night, they go. But you know when don reach that night when nobody dey with me, so na me go dey call. I go dey press bell because you get one this thing wey they put near your bed for there. They say make you dey press am so that if they, you go press. They go say that they sleep, they no hear you. Now when I call dey threa ten them say if I press this thing again, they no answer me, I'll carry my phone, I'll call police. Now they come start to dey shake, come dey follow me. Before I come spend my 1 week wey I spent for there, before I come comot for that hospital. You see, if say maybe I dey old age that time, so I no get strength, or I no sabi speak little of their language, or maybe I no get person wey dey come dey look for me, or they fit just leave my enemy like that, my enemy go die throwaway like that. So no matter where you see say those white people, so all of them are racist. No one way good among them. If you get the one way they work with you, say he love me, they give me thing, he just they use and they do eye service. No one way good among them. So we need to be very careful. For this video where I want play for now this afternoon, una go see things where they try to talk, and una go know how to dey very careful, especially when it comes to another small land. This one now, this video now, it happen for Napoli. Now this thing for happen now. You see, this one na Africa person now. Now see what, now see they see in neck. Now they see the thing where they fix for am, make they breathe. They not clean am. They not touch am. So tell the thing called they bring maggot. Come they bring rotty things. Now see the video. Now then say still the video and they talk say no. This thing where this person do so no good. They abandon this person. They're not supposed to abandon am like this, which is very bad. Now what did they talk? Say why they go do this kind? Now then themselves still they talk and so. You see, You see, You see what we they pass through. This woman now a black person. You see what they in neck. You see as maggot they come out for the thing where they say they fix for her. Tomorrow now they'll still carry this same thing. Me, I believe say maybe this woman now don't die now before it come to, because if this woman never die, the thing not go they show like this, it not go feel shake body. You see, Una see what they try to talk about. I believe that this woman now, he don't die. They not even look at, they just abandon her throw away for ground there. Because why? Now black. Because why? Nobody to come ask for her. Because why? No girlfriend will go come check her. Nothing. They don't look and say nobody come see this woman. Now make they abandon her like that. If it be say maybe this woman now, he get like 1, 2, 3 person where they come they look at least every day or every 2 Tuesday. They not go get mind leave that woman like that. They not go get mind leave that woman like that. They not go get mind abandon that woman like that, because they go they fear say if anybody of his family or his friend or his pikin come, that hospital so go be in soup. Even that doctor wey do that thing so go jail. But they no say no matter wetin happen, they no fit do anything. Nobody they come they find the woman, e don't die. They don't throw away her for ground there. If you check now, this kind woman, I go get children for Nigeria. You go get family for Africa. Sorry, not be Nigeria. I don't know where she be. I'm sorry. You go get people for Africa. You go get house. You go get everything. In family now go they expect her. In family go they call, send money, send good. Send this one. They don't know what this woman now. They pass through for year. So, most of my brothers and sisters also, we go there in pain for year. We go there in pain. we go dey hard down for our people for Africa. We no go wan tell them true. Some go dey sleep for train station. You no go fit open up tell your family say na train station I dey sleep o, I no get where I dey sleep o. You go dey do fine boy, you dey do fine girl. So even they no get food to eat 3 times a day. They go dey fight say make their family dey okay, make them for see something send for them, make their family for not talk bad of them. My dear, now you get your life. You see this life, so e no complete too, na just one. Once you don lose am, you don lose am. You see when you get am, so you need to hold am, because you see this life wey we get, so e be like egg. E be like egg. Once you get am, once you get am, you need to hold am well, because anything wey don make you lose am, you no fit pick am again. Na who die, na dem say im own finish. Who still dey live go dey live dey go. May God not let person see bad thing now. You see that people wey you because of them dey run wey you because of them you no get time for yourself. So if you die, only cry wey dem owe you na only 2 weeks. Yes, dem too love you, dem too cherish you. 3 months. After 3 months, dem no even know wetin you put for ground sef. Na dem go even erase everything wey you don labour for. Your children wey you because of them dey labour sef, dem no go come get anything. So this is the time we need to sit down, think where you from dey come, where you dey go, where you dey now. I no dey pray or say make any of us make we come this country go in vain like that. We must, as we come outside, come struggle, come suffer. So we must carry that thing wey we come suffer for, carry and reach house. We must erase our sufferness. We must reap our sufferness. All the old labor wey we don labor, we must reap am. So for you to reap am, na me and you dey talk. So you see this your life first, you need to take care of am. You need to cherish am. You need to hold am tight. You need to hold am tight. Because some go say, I don comot for the Nigeria, no, I don comot for the Africa, nothing wey I dey go do for there again. Na lie, my brothers and sisters. Na because they say if person no get wetin dey pursue am, wetin you dey pursue, e dey. If I tell you now say I no get wetin dey pursue me, e get wetin me I dey pursue for life. If I tell you say I no get my problem wey dey worry me, problem dey wey dey worry me. Shey you understand? Everybody wey comot for Africa come this country, we get purpose. I know say dem go say maybe someday they do bad thing, dem run comot for house. So that one na different aside. What of you wey you no run comot for house, wey be say na daily bread, how you go take survive, how your children go take survive, how una go take eat 3 square meal in the day, na you find come. At the end of the day, you come see say you end everything for here. How you go take feel? Some of our mothers and our father wey we dey this country, some still even get this idea of me I just die for here, make dem bury me for here. Wetin I wan go do for house? Because why? You know why you dey talk say make you just die for here, make dem bury you? Because why? When you are young, you are doing nothing. When that time wey you dey Shango dey, na in Yoruba dey call am, that when you dey Opeke, when you stand, the time when you suppose to do better things, na fine girl, fine boy, na you dey use your money dey do that time. Na low waist and push up, na you dey use your money dey do that time. That time when you come realize say I need to fight, me I gather this thing, that time you don miss am. You don miss am. Once you don miss am, you don miss am. To arrange am no dey easy again. So for you and I not to miss am, na make those kind video dey happen. We dey learn for where we for dey course. They say if drunkard don drink finish, na that time you go dey hear different word for a man. That different word wey you dey hear for a man, so no be say na the true word na dey talk come outside. True word na we dey talk come outside. You just see some people now, they go just dey this country and then they make that money rich. Na here they still dey finish everything. I know say e no easy for this country. You go must look okay, you go do you go buy cream, you go pay for house rent, you go pay for. If na only 50 naira na you fit dey put for your account every day, every month, sorry, dey put am. E get one day me and one of my friend we dey talk. E dey tell me say to save no easy o. Now I say yes, to save no easy, but if you really mean say you wan save, you go save. Because why? If you dey fit dey pay your house rent 400 euro for a month, 450 euro for a month, what about if na come be 600? You no go find that house rent. As you dey struggle dey find out your house rent too, still dey struggle, at least still dey find something at the end of the month wey you go still dey put, dey add. So okay, this one just decide say okay, na 50 euro now I wan dey save for every month. Dey save 50 euro for every month. That is 20,000 for 10 years. From 1 year to 10 years. Wey you take dey pay house rent for year. Just dey save am, not touch am. Make that 10 years come reach, maybe that money no go reach you do something. Maybe that money no go reach you do something. If na maybe na 20 euro, now you fit dey 30 euro, 100 euro, now you fit dey save every month. Dey save am. Dey save am. Nothing will be like savings for life. When you dey save, when you dey put something small small, you no go fit cry tomorrow. Maybe you meet yourself for where you not supposed to meet yourself. That small one wey you add so, now you go fit cover you. So na this video now I just see this afternoon, e make me fear, e baffle me, e make me cry, make me feel tears. So now I come share with una. Ma still use this little brain wey I still get, ma still share with our brothers and sisters. Make we know how to chop remain. Abeg, as you watch this my video, if you never subscribe to my channel before, make you subscribe. If you don't subscribe before, God bless you. I really appreciate you guys. Happy Mother's Day once again. Happy Sunday. God bless you. I love you. Bye bye.